3.
Kasali ako. Happy birthday, Millie. Kasali ka ba?
1, 2, 3. Ma'am, para na natutunan. Una kang
Anong wala?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Paano kita ina? Paano kita ina?
Ready na ba yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 4 more. Last na po. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 4 more. Okay, ano po yan? Ilan po yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need last 2. Last 2 po.
Risa.
8, 9. Last one.
The goat.
And 10. Okay. For my first rule in this game, I want you to make 2 groups po. 5% each group. Okay? 5% in per group po. Per group, 5. Okay. Let's form a straight line po. Let's form a straight line per group. Ayan, straight line lang po. Sige po, straight line po. Don't be shy. Straight line po per group. Okay, for lang po, papausap ko lang po yung cake, baka masamaan ko. Okay, for our game, this is the mechanics in our game po. Madali lang po siya laruan because our game is what we call arrange yourselves. Are you guys familiar with that? Arrange yourselves. You will arrange your team according to the topic that I will going to say. Okay, for example, arrange yourselves according to your height. Okay, ganun po. To your height. From smallest to tallest po. At kung sino po yung unang team na matatapos mag-arrange na kanilang group, ay sisigaw lang po ng happy birthday, Millie. Okay? Familiar na po? Okay na ba? Guess na po yung rules? Okay, this game is race to 3 po. Race to 3 points. Paano lang po tayo maka 3 points? At kung sino po ang unang nakaka 3 points, sila po yung magiging winners natin. Okay, at syempre sa ating hindi mananalo, magkakaroon tayo ng consequence. Kaya dapat mabilis po tayo dahil matatalo natin. Baka mamaya kayo ay sumayaw o kaya kumanta. Okay, ready na? Are you guys ready? Yes or no? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Yes, of course. Let's start our Arranger song with Arranger song according to your age. 10. Age. Wow, bilis. How old are you po? 15. How about you? 21? 25? 28? And? 29! Let's give a round of applause to them. You have 1 point. Okay. Bawi po tayo. Baka mamaya tayo yung mapasayaw. Okay? For our second, arrange yourselves according to your birth date. Birth date in 10, 9, 8. Ang bibilis talaga. Ano kailan ba yung birthday nila?
March 14.
March 14. May 13? October 2?
November 3.
November 3? December 30! Another 2 points! Laban na laban! Ano na pong balak ng kabilang team? Sabi ko sa inyo, baka mamaya kayo na yung sasayaw dyan sa gitna. Meron ba tayo next? Habol po tayo, habol? Okay, everybody listen. Arrange yourselves according to your hair length. Hair length in 10, 9, 8. Hair length, haba ng buhok. Maikli hanggang sa pinakamahaba. Paano ba yan? Parang natalo na tayo. Patingin mo ng hair. At kay ma'am. Hindi, sige, maniniwala ako makabang buhok mo ma'am. Ayun, palakpakan naman natin yung team natin. At syempre, we have our winners here. Papayag po ba kayo gano'n na lang ilaro natin? Yes or no? No! Kaya dahil dyan, practice lang yun. Practice pa lang yun. Tinignan ko lang kung sino yung competitive sa group natin. Okay? Kaya dapat, galingan na natin, ha? Babawi tayo, babawi! Okay, everybody listen! Arrange yourselves according to the number of your siblings in 10, 9, 8. Sino ba nauna? Siyempre sino. Sino mo? Sino mo nauna? Sila talaga. Bumabawi sila sa inyo, ma'am. Ilan po? Tatlo? 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 At apat. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid? Pangalawa, ikaw po? Pangatlo, ikaw po? Pang-ilan po? Panganay. Pang-ilan ka po sa pila? Ayan! Doon po tayo natalo, sir. How about dito sa kabila? Ilan po yung kapatid nyo? That's the logic in the game. Okay? Ilan po? Yung kapatid nila? Ilan po? Ilan po? Tatlo? Ilan po? Ilan po? Apat. Ilan taon ka na po? Ilan taon na po? Tatlo po yung kapatid niya. Pang-ilan ka po?
Panganay.
Panganay, ikaw po? Youngest, ikaw mo? Ayun! Manalo yung kabilang team natin! You have 1 point! Okay, magaling! Nakuha na yung sa game! Okay, everybody listen! Again, and it's time to arrange yourself according to the age of your father in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, Walang sumigaw sa inyo, di ba? Ilan taon na po si Daddy?
45.
45. How about you, ma'am? 54. How about you, ma'am? 54 din po. Ano ba? Ano bang laban? Ano bang laban? Ma'am! Ano ba? Ilan taon na po, sir? 51! Doon po tayo natalo. How about you, ma'am? Ilan taon na po si Daddy? 44. How about you, sir? 44? How about you, Bob? 51. 51, kayo, sir? 53, kayo po, sir? 60. Wait lang. Kailan birthday ni Daddy? June 30. Sa inyo po? Ay, sabay. Okay, parang naman yung winners. Hindi ko alam. Okay, all one na yung standing natin. All one. Raise the 3 po yan, ha? Okay, listen.
Malay na ako.
Arrange yourselves according to your shoe size. Shoe size of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Nakanang sugyan ko kaya din natin. Ano pong shoe size natin? 6. How about you, sir? 10? 10.5? 9.5. Ba't di po kayo nagpalit? Kaya sigurado na ba yan? Na ano pong shoe size? 8? 38? How about na? 9.5? 10? 11.5! Malabakan naman natin ating kawilang team. And of course, we have the score of 2-1. May chance pa tayo para bumawi? Okay. Okay, listen. For my next category, arrange yourselves according to your height in 10, 9, totoo ba yan? Walang galawan? Well, kahit walang sapatos? Wala sa instruction? Patingin na lang po kung tama ang pagkakasunod-sunod ng height. Tama! Hindi na sila gumalaw! Dahil dyan, wala pa natin ang ating winners! At syempre, you can get your prize. Okay, you can get your prize po. At syempre, sa ating di nanalo, you need to face your consequence. Okay? Syempre, yung consequence, ayoko manggaling sa akin. Tatanungin natin yung mga bisita. Ano po ipapagawa natin sa ating hindi nanalo? Sasayaw! Tatanungin ko rin po kayo, ano pong sasayawin nila?
Ako yun ito.
Hanggang sa ayun, sunod pa naman sa Gimes! And of course, please welcome Gimes Prince Gertie! Say hi to Bertie, everybody! Hi, Bertie! Hi! Ayan si Bertie! And of course, gusto niyo po bang makita silang mag-showdown? Yes! Dahil sa tingin ko hindi magpapatalo si Birdie. Ay, palakpakan mo na si Birdie pati si Grimace. Well, let's go, Birdie! Ano ba hindi ka magpapatalo kay Grimace? Let's go! Parang kaya din ni Birdie yan! Kaya parang Dover Grace, Dover! Kaya pala pa ka naman ang signals everyone, of course, Berlin! And now we are going to proceed with our candle blowing ceremony. Ayan, to all of our guests, I'm requesting of you to please stand up as sing a happy birthday to our celebrant, Millie. Once again, I'm requesting all of our kids, pwede po tayong dimapit as we sing a happy birthday to our celebrant. And to all of our guests, I needed to stand up to sing a happy birthday to our celebrant, Millie.
Ayan.
Alright, let's give it one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, Millie, you can now make your wish and blow your candle. Ayun, palapakan naman natin si Millie and let's all shout a happy birthday together in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Millie! Ayun, palapakan natin si Millie. Of course, let's have a family picture first po. Ayan, let's have a picture together with all of our kids and also our special guest, Gomez and Brady. We're the other kids. And all the kids po kami going to. Let's have a picture po sa si Millie.